Today I hope to explain you how to replace on-off switch for the Samsung Galaxy J7. First of all, you can remove display just like this. It is very simple. It is not display removal. You can disconnect display and back cover connection with glue coat just like this. You can use smooth printer for that. You can carefully remove it just like this. It will take several times. You can do it carefully at your home because in case some error, your back cover and display may tend to damage. Therefore, it should be carefully removed. Several times may have taken for this. Don't worry, you have to wait several times. You can carefully remove this back cover just like this. You can do it just like this. Now you can see motherboard and display just like this. Now you can see on off button area. You can clean. Sometimes this may be dust and impurities on the back cover. I hope to apply new button. It can be replaced just like this. It is very simple process. Now you can clean each nook and corner, remove impurities using printer and remove additional glue coat, and you can brush outside of glue coat. After completion of that, you can insert it just like this. You can check whether it is working or not. After completion of that, you can insert nails. You can fix back cover using nails. It is very simple process. Each nail should be connected because this may be affected to the fixing body and display with motherboard. You can do it just like this again and again. Each removed place should be reattached. Now you can see it is completed. After completion of that, battery can be attached, back cover also can be attached. After completion of that, I hope to turn on the Samsung mobile phone. You can see it is working very well. You can test again and again. You can see it is working. Thanks for watching.